Sé wa erachgal a haun and you. It's a beautiful day today. So when you're talking about weather, beautiful then is a good word erachgal. Erachgal. To say it's beautiful, hai erachgal. A beautiful day, wa erachgal. And to say it's a beautiful day, sé wa erachgal a haun. It's a beautiful day today, sé wa erachgal a haun and you. Sé wa erachgal a haun and you. And as well today we've got a beautiful breeze, keeping things at a very nice temperature. And the breeze is sedaz, a nice breeze, sedaz wech. And to say that there is one, you'd say ha sedaz wechaun. Ha sedaz wechaun, agus sé wa erachgal a haun and you.